is Mahima Kirat from Team BSRC Mad About Robots Mars.
ओके आपको यहाँ पे आके कैसा फील हो रहा है मतलब आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Very excited. The environment is absolutely amazing. The stadium and everything is just very nice. It feels very inclusive with all the teams coming from all over the world and even all over India. It feels very inclusive. Very nice environment.
And what are you making in this team? What is your project?
So we are competing in the theme bot challenge, and that is our innovation over there. So we have incorporated for our intake mechanism. We've used 2 claws and everything. So that's the basic thing. We just went along with the problem statement of the game, and according to that, we solved the problem.
तो आपको क्या लगता है मतलब आपकी कंपटीशन आप कितना मतलब कर पाओगे या फिर कितने किस लेवल तक आपकी कंपटीशन जाएगी?
I don't know, but I'm pretty confident. We worked very hard on the bot, इसलिए I'm very confident that we'll be able to do well.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.